You want a cheap, fuel-saving car, but prices keep moving up. Every time you search, the same model costs more than before. Subscribe now. We may never meet again. Something big is changing with this famous hybrid car. News says sales are falling, but hybrid cars are more popular. Hybrid demand is up, yet this one model is being reduced. The company is making fewer of these on purpose. They want you to choose bigger, more expensive hybrids instead. At many dealers, this model is quietly disappearing. Production moves from small cars to bigger, pricier ones. When they make less, prices and choices change for you. Less supply with same demand means higher costs. You end up paying more for a similar fuel-saving car. Over time, this model gets harder to find new. Friends and ads push you toward costlier options. Online searches also show fewer of these cars. It looks less popular online, even when it is not. Less ads and cars make it seem finished. Many think the cheap hybrid is gone, so they overspend. They buy bigger cars and stretch their budget too far. High monthly payments make life harder later. Too much on the car leaves little for other needs. The smart move is to question what you are shown. Understand the game before you choose your car. Compare total cost, not just the sticker price. Look at fuel, insurance, and future resale value. A used, efficient car can still be a smart choice. Lower monthly cost gives you more freedom. Choose the car that fits your life, not the hype. Smart choices today build a freer tomorrow for you.